do not know what's up with the sky today. I don't know if there's another fire somewhere. But yep, look at that. Look at the sky. Huh, looks like a fire. Alright, let's try this again. I think I didn't turn on the camera earlier. But here's the lemongrass. We bought 3 lemongrass at the Asian store. So obviously this one is already rooted. This one's doing really good. Look at that. New growth right there. That one right there. Let's go ahead and take a look closer. That one's dead. How about I'm just gonna leave it on there and see if it's gonna grow still. So yeah, we got new lemongrass. And on this side, guys, we got some mint. Yeah, I bought this mint. Well, the mother plant, we put it on the ground, but the rodents ate it. So before that happened, I went ahead and took some cutting, some clippings. I'm gonna say around this big right here. Put some right here. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 or 7. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Especially this one. It has grown a lot. So my wife took some mint already. She put it on water, which is supposed to be good for you. But yeah, it smells good. That smells really good. Look at that. Yeah, we got mints. The sunset looks kind of weird today. I think it's because of all the smoke that's coming from Northern California fire. So it's causing issues here too as well.